Good morning, everyone. Welcome to English for Medical Sciences. Today, we'll be watching a video that explains how to express pain in English. Please make sure to have your pens or pencils and a piece of paper ready for note-taking on important details. Afterwards, each of you will be given the opportunity to read the provided text aloud. This exercise is designed to enhance your fluency and accuracy in reading.
When expressing pain in English, there are many ways to do so. Let's take a look at some examples. 1. Tommy has a fever today, making him feel too weak to get out of bed. 2. Betsy keeps a bottle of water handy because her dry cough bothers her throughout the day. 3. Susan constantly reaches for a tissue as her runny nose makes it hard to concentrate on her work. 4. Cindy struggles to breathe properly at night due to his stuffy nose. 5. Stephen wakes up with a stiff neck after sleeping in an awkward position.